Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering off and removing both AirPods Pro. This prevents accidental inputs and keeps things safe. Once done, place them on a clean surface and inspect the speaker mesh, stem seam, and ear tips for grit or a loose filter. Use a soft brush and a short compressed air burst to dislodge visible debris. You're doing this to restore proper acoustic coupling, since trapped particles often cause rattling. Make sure to avoid metal probes that can damage the mesh. You then remove the silicone tips and clean them with mild soap, rinsing and drying completely. Moisture changes internal pressure and can amplify rattles. Next, use a wooden probe or toothpick gently around the mesh and seam to coax out lodged particles, because softened wax or dust often sits just beneath the grill. After reassembly, press and rotate the stem to detect any unusual play. If you feel movement, that indicates a loose internal part that will need tight. Finally, you perform a soft reset by placing the AirPods in the case, holding the pairing button for 15 seconds, and reconnecting. This clears software glitches that can mimic mechanical noise. Make sure to swap left and right to isolate which bud rattles using the same test audio. This helps decide whether the issue is mechanical or playback related. If you still feel internal looseness or persistent rattle after cleaning and resetting, stop DIY disassembly and contact official service. Attempting intrusive repairs can void warranty and worsen damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.